What's up, everyone? Whoa, what the hell? Dang, that's a nice car. What's up, guys? I know you guys probably can't hear me very well. Maybe you can. Maybe I'm being way too loud. So I'm gonna get off my skateboard. I'm with my dad in a parking garage. He's all the way down there. I'm gonna go to the top and ride down. But I'm with my dad, and I'm just gonna skate down because it's fun. Still got like 3 more to go. As my dad would say, this is a good exercise. Yeah, I'm with my dad this time, which is cool. He's just getting down there. I'll meet him at the bottom. Sorry, I don't know if you knew this, but I record on a phone. That's why my quality's really bad. iPhone 11, but I'm gonna get a camera soon, and I'll be able to record on that. I'm either gonna get one that looks like it's from the 90s, because, you know, I'm like the skater girls on TikTok. Oh my god, mid-90s vibes, but you know, I'm just gonna do this. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna get a camera, so can you move? Dude, fly! Oh, buddy, are you alright? Can you fly? You can hear my dad skating, I think. Hey, can you fly? I know you can't understand me. I know you'll be okay. Okay, we're at the top. What the freak? Hey, freaking freak. Cool. I'm in Grand Junction. Alright, you ready? I mean, I can go higher, but that's kind of dumb, so. I hope that bird can fly. I hope he's alright. He kind of got stuck in the thing. Okay. Almost got stuff over here. Alright, you ready? Let's go. You guys are gonna meet my dad. I don't know if he likes being on camera though, so I might not be able to record that portion. But if not, because we've been here for, okay, I'm on the second floor. We've been here for like 3 hours, 4 hours now. Not in this area, but just downtown Grand Junction. And you might want to go soon. What's up? Yeah. that. You good? That was pretty fun. Oh, dude. So I got tired of just going up in the thing, so I went up a staircase and there was a bird there, and he was just staring at me, and I was like, can I go up? And then I just started slowly walking, and he started like crawling down the other side, and he got stuck, and then like he like went out the other side.
Did you have to rescue him?
Yeah, or no, but he literally fell off of the ledge. Yeah, and then he started just limping. I didn't know if he could fly or not. I was like, go, fly, fly. Switch ollie. This place sucks. Yeah, I'm gonna keep recording if you don't mind. I'll keep recording. Dang, dude, that was so good. Damn, that sucked. Ooh, almost hit my ankle. Oh, sorry. Tired, dude. I'll leave whenever you feel like it. Oh, and I had it on recording too.
When?
The bird.
When you were going down?
No, yeah, but the bird. It was weird. And the bird was just staring at me, and I was staring like, bro.
Is it walking? Oh, like this?
I guess. Yeah. Oh, it's probably not safe. I'm as tall as you know.
What?
I'm as tall as you know.
Yeah. You're gonna be taller than me, and then come here, dude.
Yeah.
I think I'm ready.
To go?
Yeah.
Alright. It hit my knee. That would have been cool. That was so bad. Oh, someone moved. The car moved. Two skaters are over there. Woo. we're doing right now. I wish. Ready? We're gonna leave. We're gonna exit. Oh, I just want to see how tall that was. All right, ready? Judy, I know I didn't say it right, but I don't really care. Heck yeah. I wish I could ollie off that big of a curve. I suck at skating, I can't. Okay. What?
Fucking Ollie 360.
Ollie 360? Maybe. Alright, be right back. I don't know the lyrics. I'm cutting that out. No, I'm not. Okay. Everyone's staring at me like, bro, this kid. I love you, Lizzo. I love Lizzo. She's just funny, dude. I don't know. Okay. I'm sorry if this video was really boring. I was trying to make it as fun as possible, but I need to get in the habit of posting a lot, like 3 times a week at the most. But you know, I'm a child. I have a lot of school, and then out of school, so I can only really post on the weekends. My hair's sweaty, dude, and bad. I can barely post after school because I'm usually just skating with my friends, and we really just skate at the same skate park, and it gets boring, and that probably wouldn't be a very fun video. But yeah, I'm just sorry. This probably wasn't that fun. I just gotta get in the habit of posting a lot. But I can't post when I'm at school because yeah, I know I might to some people I look a little bit older than what I really am. I'm 12 and I'm in 6th grade. I know. For some people. So don't, my hand's dirty. Don't be like so yeah. Thank you guys for watching if you made it all the way through. That probably wasn't that fun, but yeah, I already know what I'm gonna make for my thumbnail. You probably already saw it when you clicked on the video, so my dad's gonna come in, and I don't like him knowing that I'm recording for a YouTube video. He doesn't even know I have a YouTube channel. He just thinks I'm randomly recording, and everyone's staring at me. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. If you made it all the way through, thank you, and have a nice day. And if you enjoy my content, please subscribe. And if you came here from TikTok, I love ya. And if you want to know my social media, it's in the description. And I love you guys. Bye.